Today we're cleaning my vanity. I was just blow drying my hair right now. The top is not that bad, but let me show you guys the inside of my vanity. It's needs help. Oh my gosh, why is there a bunch of hair right here? Not organized. Neither is this side. The vanity itself on the top is not that dirty. I have a lot of the little sticky markings all over my mirror. I just got out of the shower too. We are very cozy right now. I'm in my PJs. I also need to clean the inside of the drawers and stuff. I don't even know where I'm gonna put all my things. I'm gonna just move this out of the way first. We're just gonna start taking everything out of the drawers, putting them on top of the vanity. Look at how gross that looks. These are all of my little organizers taken out. These are from Amazon. I'm gonna link them in my Amazon storefront in the description down below if you guys want them. Okay, I had to move my camera back to get a wider angle. As you can see, we have a lot of makeup coming out. Look at this. So gross. That is really gross. I don't even know where that came from. This is everything on top of my vanity. We're definitely gonna need to eat first before we continue. This is gonna be a long video, maybe short for you guys, but a long video for me. But you know what? It had to be done. Okay guys, I'm back. It is already 8. We're gonna start off with cleaning all the products first. I'm gonna need to pull out my laptop and watch something because this is gonna be a while. We're switching over to a voiceover. This looks like it took me 5 seconds to do, but I kid you not, I was here for about 2 hours. It was mostly because I was paying more attention to the video than actually cleaning and then getting distracted going on my phone. But anyways, not only are we just cleaning, I mean, it looks like I'm just cleaning here for like 2 hours, but I'm also decluttering some things that I don't use anymore that are just expired or broken. Like for example, I had this Fenty press powder. It's the universal one. It's so good. My favorite press powder. But unfortunately, the other day I dropped it on the floor and it broke into a million pieces. I wasn't able to use it anymore. Also, I completely forgot that I had the Sephora bag on the side of my vanity and I used it to put all the trash in. And I will show you guys the bag later on in the video, but it was full. Really good with keeping my vanity clean and having everything where it's supposed to be. But obviously it's been months since I've done this and it's just become a big mess. But you know what? That's just what happens, and I know your vanity is probably dirty, so do not judge me. If you guys saw my last video a while back of me doing a vanity transformation, then you know I used to have a smaller vanity than the one I have now, and I have no idea how I would have fit all of these makeup products in that vanity. I'm so glad that I did this upgrade. And I don't know if I mentioned it already, but this vanity is from Amazon and it's really good. I've had it for a few months now. Definitely recommend if you guys are in search of a new vanity like I was. This clip is actually really funny because I'm squeezing the last bits of my Rhode lip balm because nothing goes to waste here for me. I'm gonna use every last dollar that I spent on this lip balm. Thankfully, I did go to Sephora a few weeks ago, so I already restocked on that, and I tried out a new flavor. I tried out the watermelon. It's really good and it tastes good as well. Okay, so I just finished cleaning all the makeup products and somehow they ended up in my bed. But I also had this like old Sephora bag that I needed to throw away, and I just filled it up with some things that are old, already used up, that I needed to bin. I keep like saying English sayings because of my boyfriend. It's kind of annoying, but to throw it in the trash, or this is the trash basically. Now I'm really just trying to see how I'm gonna rearrange everything. This side I for sure want to stick to keeping it my skincare products, and then this side I want to do it for my makeup. Just gonna go over how I want all of this stuff to go. I'm gonna put my sunscreens in here. This is my favorite one out of all of them. It's so good, especially with makeup. I'm gonna put all my moisturizers on this side because they're bulkier and I have quite a few. If you guys are looking for like a Road Glazing Milk dupe, this is the perfect product. It's the Bubble Cosmic Milk Hydrating Milky Toner. Wait, I forgot I had this sunscreen as well. In here, I think I'm gonna put some of my serums. I have really dry skin, so that's why I have a lot of serums, moisturizers. This is what I ended up doing. I just added all of my big palettes over here. My concealer, foundation, my blushes, lip liners, lip glosses, my brushes. I have my favorite Sol de Janeiro lotions right here on the side. I like putting them on with my perfumes. And over here is all my skincare. I already showed you guys everything that was in here, but I did switch up the bottom row because I forgot about my beauty blenders and my little puffs. So I added these smaller containers in here, and then I added 2 of my small lip balms on this side. More organized. It's looking so much better. I still need to do these drawers right here. It's really late at night, but it's okay. We got it done so much more organized. This is what my vanity on the outside is kind of looking like. I did show you guys what was in here. I did add my eyebrow stuff and mascara in here because I had no more cubbies and no more space to add another one. So whatever, that will just have to do. In here, all my brushes are more organized. I have this little headband that I use pretty often. Overnight hair rods. I love this dry shampoo and this leave-in conditioner. So I put it in the first drawer because it's what I reach for the most. In here, it's more organized than how I had it, but it is still random. Can't really add too many of these little organizers because they fit very awkwardly. More hair products, some clips, my bonnet in here. Down there, it's really just like a random drawer. It's organized better than how it was, but I still don't want to show it because it's kind of a junk drawer. This drawer, I really liked how it came out. This is all just like my camera stuff. I have different little tripods, my cables, my case for my camera, this little adapter for my digital camera, and I have my mini microphones for my camera. I have this microphone for my voiceovers, which I'm just gonna put on the top because it doesn't fit any other way. Either way, it's still organized and that's all that matters. Down here, I will say it is still pretty messy just because my bin where I put all of my hair products is broken and I need to get a new one to organize it. So that again is something that I'll deal with another time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.